Hi everyone! So I did a massive Ulta haul and I got a lot of new makeup too. In this video, I want to show you everything that I got, and then in subsequent videos, I will review the products. I can't wait to show you guys. I actually got a bunch of Nars stuff. Only thing that I had tried out from Nars is their lipsticks, and I really like them. And now I got a chance to try out their other products, and they're really good too. I got this Nars cheek palette. There are 4 different blushes in here. There are 2 sort of shimmery shades, and then there's a matte shade. It has very small glitter grain in it. The other thing I got from Nars is their new Climax palette. Really love this packaging. The color story is absolutely beautiful, and it is perfect for the coming fall. Orgasm kit, and there is a mascara. Really cute little mini palette. Kylie kit here. This is in the shade Bear. Really cute packaging. I got 2 of the new Urban Decay lipsticks. Here is the cream formula one. The other one is a shine formula. Now I have tried out both lipsticks. One of them was like okay, and the other one was really good. So stay tuned next week for a video to find out which one I actually liked. And I got this new Jaclyn Hill blush stick. It's in the shade Swoon. Really pretty. I also got this new palette by a company called Elaluz. This is a cheek palette. And I'm actually wearing the blush today. The products from this brand are gluten-free, vegan, and cruelty-free. Lastly, I got all 6 of the new Essence eyeshadow palettes. Today I am wearing this one right here. I absolutely loved the shimmers in this palette, and I can't wait to try out the rest of them, and I will do a normal YouTube video reviewing all of them. And that's it for my Ulta makeup haul. These are all the items I got. I will be reviewing all of them next week, so stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you have not subscribed already, make sure you hit that subscribe button, like the video, and leave me some comments. Have you done any makeup hauls recently? If you did, what did you get? Or have you picked up any item during any of those sales? What is some new makeup that you have purchased recently? Let me know in the comments down below. Thank you. Bye.